guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another cleaning video. I apologize I haven't had a lot of cleaning videos up lately, but here you go, here's one, and I'm going to try to have you one at least every week now. And I'm really excited because this video is a collab with my friend Krista from her channel, Krista Nile. You guys will absolutely love her channel. She does a lot of motherhood videos and so many cleaning videos. So if you like cleaning videos, just head on over to her channel after this video is over. I will leave the link to her video in my description, and check her out and let her know that I sent you. So right here I'm just going ahead and getting some of my laundry done. I always start my laundry while I clean, that way when I get done I can just fold everything. And I'm just going to show you guys an overview of what my house looks like right now. For you guys that always say it's clean, it's not always clean. We do live in this house, so it does get messy. We didn't even make the bed on this day, and as you can see beside my nightstand, look at this disaster. So I am still loving my living room furniture, but I'm thinking about getting some new pillows to go on my couch. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what color you think I should get. You close to me, feeling good, I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back with you. Oh, I got this good on times. You want to spend some time back with me. Y'all, it's so funny because I'm cleaning this living room right now, but like 5 minutes later it was completely dirty again. It's just the story of my life. I clean just for it to get messed up again. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything. It must be nice to just chill on your laptop and iPad while your mom cleans your room. What do you guys think? Time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you. Right here, I'm just using the Method window and surface cleaner. Y'all, check out Aubree right here. You can see her smirking because she knows she's on camera. She literally helps me out so much in the house. Look at her. Speedy Gonzalez. She really folds them that fast in real life. Nah, I'm just kidding, but I wish she did, and I wish I could do that too. So right here I'm just washing the dishes, and I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent that I had at Christmas time. I told myself that I am not buying any more cleaning products until I run out of what I have. It's ridiculous how much I have. It's embarrassing. You just see under my sink. So I'm going to save some money. If a new scent comes out, I'm not getting it. So y'all hold me to that. I think I told you not to trust her. She's all about that game. Don't go and fall in love with that girl, 'cause she don't feel the same. Says she got issues and she's sorry, but then do it all again. She's coming at you, you better run before she leaves your heart in vain. That girl's cold as ice, deep blue sea, you can't swim it. You better think twice. So right here I'm just using my favorite method wooden cleaner to clean off the kitchen table, and I love this stuff so much. I know I talk about it all the time, but it literally does everything. It shines, it polishes, and it cleans your kitchen table all in one, and after it's done it looks so smooth and shiny. So if you haven't tried it, you need to get some because it is so good. So right here I'm just going ahead and cleaning my counters off. As you see, we have a huge catch-all counter. Every time we walk in the door, we just sit stuff everywhere, mail, purses. I don't even know why this old coffee pot thing is here. I don't know what's going on today, but it is a disaster in my kitchen. I'm just getting it cleaned up, and I'm going to put an end to this. I'm going to stop just throwing things on the counter when I walk in the door, so y'all hold me to it. If you see me on Instagram with a messy kitchen, say something to me because I need some accountability. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to head on over to Chris's channel after you leave here, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!